Oh, let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
Let's make this trip in reverse.
We're doing a strip in reverse? Yeah, you.
This is how we would normally end. This is how we would normally end our trip.
That's true. Yeah, we're starting our trip at Rand's Red Hots. And sorry if it sounds a little bad. It's windy in the Windy City today. Well, we're just outside the Windy City. But we're about to leave it and we're heading south. I don't think we're going to make it all the way to Memphis, but we'll see how close we'll get. Now, we were going to go downtown to Chicago to see the Merchandise Mart. They were doing a projection, but we figured we can always see it when we get back and we'll just eat now and then get there that much faster. Alright, so what do we have to do?
We have to record a time lapse of us driving, and then in Premiere I'll time lapse the time lapse in Premiere.
And then
I'll export the time lapse from Premiere. And then delete the original footage of the time lapse. And then just have the time lapse put that back into Premiere in the same states.
alright. How many times do you think you said time lapse on that
It's really cool.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna be playing with our GoPro this whole trip. We just got it a few days ago.
On South River Road for 5 miles.
And now we are on our way. The nice Chevy Cruze. Touchscreen like that. So, Aaron. Hey, Froggy, you're coming with us?
Yeah.
Oh, that's exciting. Froggy Jr., you too?
Yeah.
Oh, man. All right, well. I'm excited to see 2 out of 3 of you guys, at least. And Mommy's playing with her new toy.
Well, no, I'm just trying to figure out. Sure.
You know, currently, this simultaneously with time-lapse footage that we're recording right now.
Right.
Head south on South Des Plains
Yeah.
River Road, South River Road toward Pearson
We're
Street.
on our way to Memphis-ish.
We try and remember what you can. We try and remember what you can. I know what you may be thinking. Why? But it has to turn out this way. Well, it's quite a simple explanation. Oh no, there's no time left for me to explain. Well, I guess I could give you a hint. When's last time you tried to remember a thing? Yes, the world might have forgotten a few things, but that's okay. I didn't need to remember us anyway. We should try to remember before we can't. 'Cause I'm not even sure how the song began. We try and remember what you can. We try and remember what you can. I know what you may be thinking. Why? Is time going away? Well, it's quite a simple explanation. Well, now there's really no time left for me to explain. This is why you should learn to remember before you can't. We should try to remember before we can't. Yeah, so the world might be ending, but we should make sure to remember before we can. We should try to remember before we can't. Please try and remember. Please try and remember.
Alright, we're done with surface streets. We're now on, what is this, 294?
Yeah,
So 57?
tiny, but
Yeah, for a little bit. And then we take 57 all the way to our first stop, Memphis. But I guess our first stop's going to be a hotel before we get to Memphis. We'll see how far we get. But it's going to be a lot of just driving today. Not much of interest I think is going to happen, but we'll see.
we saw a coyote.
Yeah, we did see a coyote. That was interesting.
And we ate it right in Red Hots in
Oh.
reverse.
We threw it up.
Yeah.
Walking through these darkest forests, trying to find out why this whole world has decided to suddenly forget everything. Maybe it's because the only thing that was keeping us pulsing was very quickly witness from our brain. So the results vary. My experiments include that this world is nearly ending, and no matter what was true, there's no way to reverse it or to start the world anew. I'm scared to tell you, friends, but I think this is the true end. No way to help. This is the end. No matter what was true, this is the end. No way to help. This is the end.
Yep, that's where we're going, and
That's
yeah,
where we are.
yeah.
If we reach Sunrid, it's 6 hours and 40 minutes to Memphis. We'll be arriving at 2:30 in the morning.
Probably in a little bit I should probably look for a hotel. Well, not right now.
Because we don't know where we're going to really end up.
Yeah, that's a good point. We'll see when we get to our...
481 miles to Memphis, I just saw this.
49,999 miles right now.
Yep, we're about to hit our first milestone of the trip.
50,000 miles on the rental car already. On day one, we already
Yeah,
hit
isn't
50,000.
it crazy? You're gonna have to trust me on this. It's not focusing. Let's
Zoom out.
The suspense.
Zoom in.
Will it flip?
Zoom in.
Will it flip? Will it flip? Will the car flip because I'm recording like this?
Or whatever, it's 50,000.
Oh, there it goes.
And it was really blurry, and you just have to trust us.
All right. What do you think the final number is going to be for the car when we drop it off?
I'm not sure.
Just take a guess.
65,000.
Oh, and that's funny. We're 99 miles into our road trip.
How do you see that?
I restarted.
Okay. What do you guess?
60,000.
think.
I say
even.
I say 56.50.
You're
Even.
way low.
You think?
Wait, what did Aaron say? I wasn't listening.
65.
Oh, 65. That's a good guess.
Yeah.
Daddy's too low. It takes like, isn't it like 5,000 miles just to get there?
No,
2,600, and then that's not like counting all the time they're gonna dash at night. It might be actually closer.
No matter what we do, this is the end. Please try and remember. Please try and remember. Please try and remember what you can. Please try and remember what you can. I know what you may be thinking. Why? Is the end so near? Well, according to my calculations, I already said, and I still have time to explain. But I'm afraid there's nothing left to explain. We should try to remember before we can't. Always remember to remember before you can't. Please try and remember what you can.
Well, this is definitely not going to do it justice, but it's been we've been enjoying a pretty sunset.
I saw lightning bugs.
Yeah, I know, there's been lightning bugs a lot on the drive, but now it's getting a little dark. Yeah, this is a fairly boring drive.
You can see the GoPro. Yeah, you can see the GoPro.
Yeah. Still recording away.
That's cool.
We're probably gonna stop.
I don't know where we'll stop.
Yeah, who knows?
We got 5 hours and 14 minutes to Memphis, and we just keep driving.
We'll see how we feel. Wouldn't be
7
bad.
hours, 7 minutes. It's 7 minutes and 55 seconds on the time lapse right now, so probably
That's cool.
Please try and remember what you can. Please try and remember what you can.
That'll be interesting to show up. Here in room 123 is the place to be. What are we in? Eagleton? Shannon?
Eagle Inn.
Eagle Inn.
Yeah.
And I got my highlighter.
And are we still in Illinois?
No.
We just made it to the border.
And it's room 123. 123 a lot on our trips.
All right, so let's get on a shot.
Let's get a shot.
Come on.
I'm busy highlighting the map.
What's more important?
I don't know what look at.
Here, just
Let's.
Look at that.
After we can do it after we've done the wrap-up video.
yeah, because we have so much to talk about.
Oh yeah,
This
we have
wrap-up
so much to talk about. We had so much today. I mean, we have like at least 20 minutes.
Do you see that I'm like completely blocking you?
No.
Okay.
I'm here.
Yeah, we're all a little bit tired, and we'll get used to this camera. But hopefully it'll work well. But anyway, what was your favorite thing about today?
I don't know, I guess eating at Rand's Red House.
That
There
sounds
wasn't really
good.
much to enjoy from today.
Oh wow, it was so good. It's all made all of our best. Now,
Well, I was gonna say starting our road trip in reverse, and I already called the first audible, so that was a good thing actually.
so what was the worst thing about today? Eating at Rand's?
I guess you listening to Madonna the Dick Tracy soundtrack.
Yeah, that doesn't age well.
I still like it.
Oh, it's fine. I like songs that don't age well as well. But yeah. Anyway, tomorrow should be a little bit more interesting than today's
Yeah.
footage. I hope so, God. But until then,
We made it out of the state of Illinois. We're in Missouri.
yay, we're in Missouri. We're on our first of many states. So,
First of 18.
are we gonna stay in Missouri? You'll have to find out tomorrow. Aaron, until then, press that button.